Hello, my name is John and I'm from CMI Electrical. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can set up, and we're going to demonstrate how to use an OD2/2 leak detection system. The leak detection system is designed for a bunded oil tank. So this means a tank that has two skins on it, and the optical sensor is designed to fit inside the two skins, and if there's a leak there'll be an alarm system. As you can see a bit more clearly from this diagram here, the unit has two zones. So the first zone has a sensor, as you can see here, in between the two skins in what's referred to as the bunded area. There is also another zone, zone 2, which is for a high alarm. And at the top here, this is designed for if a person overfills the tank, it will set off an alarm in the alarm unit, which will obviously warn the person not to continue. So what we're going to do now is on this particular system here, this is just a zone 1, as you can see here, so we haven't fitted a zone 2. So the zone 1 is only designed for this particular type for just the bunded alarm. Now, at the bottom of the PCB board here, you can see where you would connect your power supply. So this is where you would fit your live, neutral and earth wires. Now, the advantage of this system is that it can be used anywhere in the world and you don't have to actually make any adjustments whatsoever. So if you're in America and it's 110 volts, it doesn't matter. Or if you're in a major or anywhere else in Europe, it automatically adjusts the voltage for you, which is really great advantage. Now, to the right of it, you have two common alarms here. These common alarms can be connected to your BMS or PLC. And next to that, you have some additional fault-free contacts, which will also tell the BMS or PLC whether it's zone 1 in alarm or zone 2 in alarm. And a little bit further along on the bottom of the PCB board, you have optional applications that we can fit, which would be a flashing beacon and also an SMS text messaging unit. Now, at the top of the PCB board for the OD2/2 unit, this here, which will be the 4-way terminal plug, is where you connect, as you can see here, the actual optical sensor. And it'll be pretty clear here. Obviously, we don't have zone 2. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to actually show you how the alarm system actually works. So now I'm going to show you how we can now put the OD2/2 unit into an alarm. So as you can see from here, for the terminal plug, we've got the sensor, and I've just got a cup full of oil here. So the optical sensor will actually touch the liquid, and as you can hear, the alarm goes off, and over on here, it will tell you that the leak has been detected, which I can now mute. Now, obviously, if we have a high alarm as well, we would have an additional unit attached to zone 2, and obviously you would then have the alarm going off as well. Okay, let me just clean it off. So that's all the product information of our OD2/2 system. If you're interested, please have a look at our website for further information, and email us at sales@cmielectrical.com, where we can obviously send you more information as well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.